Hello everybody, welcome back to Blanky's Creations. I'm using some industrial foam board and it would be best if you just really watch the video. That would help out better than I could explain these steps. I only used 2 candle holder type mirrors, and this is reflective contact paper that you could purchase from Amazon. This paper is going to be used to cover the foam piece, the inside of both of the mirrors, and later on you will see me using it for the butterflies. This reflective sticky paper is used like contact paper. Only after you've applied it to the surface, there's this clear film that's protecting the reflective surface. So remember to remove that part also. Here I'm just making sure that the fairy light box fits in there snug. Now I'm using a combination of strong adhesive and hot glue to glue the foam board piece to both of the mirrors. When putting both of them together, this would be the best way to do it so that you can see that they're even on both sides. I have these wood appliques. I'm painting them with these apple barrel paints, and this is what they're going to look like. I went with the lighter shade. Now I'm going to take these butterfly mirror stickers and I'm using the ruler. I'm going to take my utility knife. I'm going to go over the middle of that butterfly and I'm going to cut that part out. It's going to give me 3 pieces. As you can see, it was really easy to do. Then I am going to take my utility knife and I'm going to remove the clear film from the top of the bigger butterfly, and I'm going to create one butterfly that looks 3D. As you can see, use the video as your reference to what I'm doing. Then I'm going to take those 2 pieces that I cut with the utility knife. I'm going to trace it over that reflective paper, and I'm going to cover the backs of those 2 pieces because it's going to be 3D. So then I'm going to glue those wings onto the bigger butterfly. You will see as you continue to watch. Once you apply the reflective paper to the butterfly is going to have the clear protective film on both sides. So that's what I'm doing here. I removed that clear film from both of the sides of each piece, and now I'm going to take my hot glue and I'm going to add just a dab right there in the middle, and then I'm going to glue that to the middle of the bigger butterfly, and I'm going to hold that in the upward position using a pen or something to hold it while it dries. I'm doing this on both sides. You can create 2 3D butterfly mirrors out of one pack. Once I gave the hot glue time to dry, I took some Rinstone Chain, and I also purchased this from Amazon. I am measuring the middle of that butterfly. I'm cutting with the scissors, and then I'm going to take a Q-tip with some strong adhesive, as you can see here, and I'm going to spread that in the middle of the butterfly, and then I'm going to lay down that rhinestone chain. While I allow that to dry, I'm going to take this beautiful flower that I purchased from Walmart, and not all the flowers have this little styrofoam in the middle, but if it does, just pull the petals apart and then lay the beginning of the fairy lights there. Put a dab of hot glue to hold it in place, and then just wrap the fairy lights around the petals of the flower, going around in a circle. Now look at how pretty this looks. Now, using a combination of strong adhesive and hot glue, I am going to glue those wood appliques to the bottom part of the mirrors. Please use the video as reference. Even though I used hot glue, I'm going to give this a couple of minutes to dry. Then I took some tacky glue, and with a paintbrush, I spread some tacky glue on the sides of those wood appliques. Then I sprinkled some glitter on the sides of the wood appliques only. While I allowed that to dry, I'm going to take some green moss, and using my hot glue gun, I applied some to the bottom of the stem, and then I added the green moss all the way around. Now I'm taking some more hot glue, and on the bottom and on the one side of the stem, I applied it, and then I am holding that stem inside that vase that I created with those mirrors. Now, using some strong adhesive, I am going to add my butterfly to the middle of the vase. Then I'm using these type of stickers, and these stickers I purchased for $1, but I purchased them at a general dollar store. I applied the square stickers to each corner of the vase. Once I was done applying the stickers, I saw that it needed something where the wood applique meets the mirror, so I added a line of the rhinestone chain. And here is the final product. This would make a beautiful Mother's Day present, a birthday present, an I love you present, or even spring decor, or home decor, office decor. It is totally up to you where you use this. It is actually beautiful anywhere you use it. You could even use it in bathroom decor, or even on top of your refrigerator decor. It is totally up to the person that is making it or that is receiving it, where they display this beautiful piece. So with that being said, I want to thank you so much for stopping by, spending some of your valuable time with me. I appreciate each and every one of you so much. I want to ask you to please, if you haven't already, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment area down below. And remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel. I hope to see all of you soon, and remember to stay blessed.